Titigaw ka lang sa mga bahay. Hi everyone! I hope you guys can support Woman Talk. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the film!
Of course, July 3, showing in cinemas nationwide, and also what's special about the film, we also talk abroad in Canada.
Yes, 90% of the film was shot in Thailand. So kung gusto niyo matakot, kung gusto niyo isama buong barangay, gusto niyo isama si nanay, si lola, mga kaibigan, sama niyo na po. This is a film para sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Kung sa Pinoy, meron tayong Chana. Pero sa Thailand naman, meron silang Kumano. Pero iba, medyo may pagkakaiba sila. July 3, opening day ng Kumano Power Cinemas Nationwide.
Lovely, maraming salamat, Alexia. Okay. Mama, you're nice here. Okay, who's here?
Who's there? You're a nightmare. Happy po kami and excited po kami na sana po ay magandahan po kayo sa inyong mapapanood at sana matuwa po kayo at matakot po kayo. Tatakot kayo at saka magugulat sa mga jump scares.
Okay, and so, thank you so much for having me tonight. Thank you. You're amazing. Thank you.